Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can export data from Excel to SharePoint. So guys, many times admins get a request that various people in the organization have their data stored in spreadsheets. That's pretty common, and they want to import all of them into SharePoint. So I know there are third-party tools, apps available, but what if I can show something straight away directly from Excel? And that is what I'm gonna do it here. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing is like the way you have organized your data. Make it a table, right? Make it a table, column headers and all, whatever you want, like do it. And then we gonna go to this table design tab. You have the export option. Click on export and you have the option export table to SharePoint list. So here you need to put the address of the SharePoint site, name of the list that it's going to be created, description if you want, and you got to click on next or finish whatever comes. If you click next, you have the option like if you want to make any thing here. I don't think you can change here, but anyway, you can go back and cancel. It gives you some information. Click on finish. Then you get a pop-up that it's created. So now we'll go to SharePoint and see. So as you can see, this is right here. So that's how simple it is, guys, and we can even open it and check. So that's it, guys. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.